Hello everyone, this is me Ali Reza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with one of the most asking question by many of the people. Many of the people have been struggling in the real estate niche, which is why I just picked one of the very famous and common question, and the question is, I've been struggling to get a single lead in real estate project more than 30 days. So now this is going to be an amazing video for Google Ads for real estate, how to get more clients for your real estate business via Google Ads PPC. So I know that getting clients for your real estate business via PPC is no joke. It's an extremely competitive niche, and you have to come up with a strategy and then amazing offers, landing page to win and out. Okay, I will be sharing few of the strategies in this video. So let's get started on how you can win the most out of your real estate business. So first thing first is you need to have an amazing landing page. Okay, people over here don't emphasize much more on landing page and emphasize much on your campaign, but I believe that you are paying money for each visitor to land on your website, so your experience needs to be extraordinary, superb, awesome. So what I did was, I'm just showing you a few of the landing pages and we can discuss over here, and then we can discuss the ad copy. So the first thing is we are going to discuss right now is the landing page. Okay, so let's get started on the landing page. Okay, so when I clicked on these ads, and these are the few of the landing pages you can see over here from the ads. You can see over here, this is a landing page. Okay, you can see over here regarding the property. Not, okay, good. Showing details, some of the referencing. Not, I'm not convinced, because a landing page needs to have a very good CTS, call to action, and your user is your most laziest person in the world, and you need to have a very eye-catchy landing page. Okay, let me see this landing page. Okay, this landing page is better because it's easy to read. Numbers are over there. The image is being loaded. The image is tempting. You can search for your own. Then the pictures of these, ladies and couple or sales staff, whatever you're gonna call, is attractive and tempting. Famous properties being mentioned. Price range. You can search around it. So yeah, this is a good landing page. Tempting one. Mortgage calculator is over there as well. So yeah, I would have to choose in these two. I'm going to with this one because more greenery. Greenery is also attracting me. Okay, I'm not a fond of green color, but this is a property. It needs to have green color, and you can see it's how eye catching it is. Now this is another landing page. No, I'm not going to choose one. Too less information, and too generic. I'm not going to offer this one. This landing page, yeah, images plays a huge role. Yeah, tempting, good. So you can see that. Okay, now this is another landing page. Okay, this is interesting and good as well, because I like these like kind of landing pages where we do not have to scroll and everything is being mentioned. So now this is a very good landing page to get more leads, more as much leads. But if we combine this one with a landing page from this one and these images, it's going to be win-win. So images could be better, but this is the kind of a landing page slightly acceptable. We can work around adding a timer can help, playing with buttons, making it uh, bold, something like this to get more sales, adding your phone number so people can directly call you. So these are the few things we need to work around with the landing page. Without this, your whole campaign is going to be waste. So in a good real estate campaign, we need to have an awesome landing page. Without this, we are going to waste our money. So point number one is to have an amazing landing page. Even if you need a landing page assistance, me and my team can help you. You can hire us with the link in the description for landing page help as well, along with the Google Ads campaign setup and management. Now comes the second part, and second part is your ad copy. Okay, now I want you to have as many as for the second part ad copies. I believe that every keyword deserves two ad copies to decide which one is working well. So we need to have a lot of ad copies, and you can look around over here. These are generic ads. You need to understand what is more attractive and how you can make it attractive. Now to get your ad more attractive, you need to add ad extensions. You can see over here, this is a phone extension, this is the location extension, this is a timing extension, how they are playing a role, grabbing attention. Now these are the normal ads which I click as well. And if I scroll below, you can see over here that this is a good side link extension, but this one has a call extension. So now this is also good, get in touch, our team, news center, open, closes. So how these plays role, In case if you want to know, this is a Corolla is a very good tool. You can see over here how ad extensions, gets, more trust. You can see over here, if I'm going to add, you can see over here, call extension, advertiser rating, pricing, how this grabs the motivation. So your ad also has a huge role over here. And the third thing which I have tell you is to work with your keywords. Okay, what people do with real estate is the biggest mistake. What people do is adding hundreds of keywords. Okay, I do not recommend in same campaign. Okay, we can have house near me keywords or near me keywords in a single ad group, but other than that you need to work around with every ad copy. Also, having a strong eye on competitor is very important, which is why we use various tools to have a strong eye on what our competitors are doing, for which you can hire us, me and my team, to look around what your competitor keywords are. And I believe that every keyword has a different intent, so look around on those, search around for your peak hours, peak days. Even peak days could be different, like start of the month, end of the month. That also helps. Sometimes competitors also keep on clicking your ads, which is why we need anti-fraud click. If we provide anti-fraud click with our campaign management service, so that if competitor clicks on our ad, we can get an adjustment from Google for this. We also need to look around which device is working well, like which iPhone is working well. It's a Samsung or iPhone, whatever, is going to work well for your business. And then we also fluctuate the ad positions to see which ad positions works well for you with this. So, I mean, there are so many factors to look around to create an amazing. And then the bidding strategy also plays a role over here. People focuses on maximize conversions or maximize clicks, which I do not recommend at start, because for the start we need to get the data and then opt for maximize conversions later on. Sometimes people opt for the TCPA, target CPA, and that doesn't always work well. So we need to keep a strategy after looking around your campaign, so which varies according to the website campaign performance. And also your conversion tracking needs to be working very well. You need to have a newsletter as well. Okay, newsletter plus social media integration is also very important, because people nowadays also look around on social media. So having your Facebook page interconnected with it, your YouTube page, and you frequently coming up with new videos, and that also be very tempting, and that can also help in generating more and more customers and clients for you. So now this is a general case study for anyone who is looking for Google ads for real estate. I hope I answered a lot of questions and I discussed a lot of things as well. But in case if you need a professional help for your Google ads campaign for real estate, or need a professional audit, or for any other industry, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description for Google ads, Facebook ads, and Bing ads, and we will love to work with you in all those issues. And we're going to create an awesome campaign for you, especially for Google ads. So I look forward working with you guys. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. And in case if you still have any questions left, you are the more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.